Welcome back to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is go over what I just bought from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I went in there with my mom yesterday just to, like, you know, get some meal prep stuff because I'm trying to lose weight, and I found so much fall stuff. Like, I don't know if you can see those pumpkins back there, but I got the 2 white ones, and then I got even more over there, but I'll show you guys those later. So now I'm just gonna show you all the healthy and delicious stuff that I got from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I have this like whole bag. I thought it would kind of just give you a review of like all the healthy stuff out there because there's so much unhealthy food out there, which is fine, you can have that, but it's really hard navigating weight loss through holiday seasons. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I got so you have some options. This actually isn't food. I have a couple things that aren't food, they're just fall related, so I guess I'll just start with those. So first, Trader Joe's has these little cinnamon whisks. Normally they're like huge broomsticks, but I really wanted to get one to put in with my pumpkins for some like cute fall decor. So yeah, it smells so good, literally just like cinnamon. So yeah, I'm gonna hang that up and that'll be really fun. So next I got a few candles. I'll go over this one first. This one's the maple syrup candle from Whole Foods. It's a tiny little one and it has a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little wood wick, so it burns more like a fire and not like it's just on a wick. It's really cool, and I believe it's better for the environment, I heard. But yeah, this smells so good. This was like $6, but my mom wanted to give me a little treat because I'm trying to do really good with my diet, so she was like, just get something nice, you know, treat yourself. So I got that. That smells so good. And then from Trader Joe's, they have some pumpkin stuff out, some pumpkin candles. This one's vanilla pumpkin. This one smells so good too. And they're like smaller candles. I prefer huge candles because I like to burn them like really often. But this is still a really good one. This was cheaper than that one actually. And like I always get their candles. They had another apple one, but I didn't like the scent. It reminded me of like a bathroom, like, I don't know, bathroom scent you would put in there. Like, I don't know, I'm weird. I just didn't really like that one. It was some sort of apple thing. And I have this theory. I feel like you're either a pumpkin person or an apple person. I've been telling everybody that lately because like a lot of people hate pumpkin pie or they love apple stuff, like apple pie or whatever. And I'm such a pumpkin person. Like, don't get me wrong, love apples, but I'm a pumpkin person. All right, the next thing I got that's not food is Trader Joe's had these pumpkin spice face masks. How cool is that? I had to try it because I'm at heart a beauty channel. So this says, what is this good for? Seasonally spiced with scents from clove leaf, orange peel, and ginger root oils. This gel-like biocellulose mask is set to soothe and moisturize your pretty parched face with ingredients like aloe, pumpkin seed, and turmeric root extracts, colloidal gold, and hydrolyzed silk protein. This is super cool. I got 2 in case I really love them, and all Trader Joe's stuff is seasonal, so if these ran out and I love them, I'd be sad. So I got 2. I'm gonna try them probably with my boyfriend or one of his sisters because I love doing little like beauty stuff with me. So hi girls, shout out to you guys. They're like my biggest fans. It's crazy. Other than my niece Grace and my sister Morgan, it's so funny. They like tell me how many views I get and like how many subscribers I have, so they're super awesome. Love them. So they get a little shout out. But okay, next thing. I'm just gonna go back and forth in between like the Trader Joe's stuff and the Whole Foods stuff because I just have it all mixed together in the bag, but I'll tell you where I got it. So the next thing, I actually have 2 of them. They are muffins in a cup, which I love this. Anybody who knows me knows that I make little mug cakes out of like almond flour and protein powder and stuff, like super healthy ones when I need a treat and I'm like deep in a cut, like I'm losing weight. So I got these because these are made with, they're grain free. I should probably show you. They're grain-free, pumpkin spice. They're made with blanched almond flour. They do have coconut sugar, but I know that's paleo. I try to stay away from added sugars, but sometimes, you know, you need a little treat. And this is under 200 calories for 1 cup. And it has whole eggs, pumpkin powder, cinnamon, salt, natural vanilla flavor, blah, blah, blah. Super good stuff. So I'm excited to try these because everybody's having pumpkin muffins lately and I want to join in on the fun. So I got these, and also just a little spoiler alert, I'm planning on doing like a little fall treats video for you guys, like a healthy version, just because I want more of that content out there. I feel like we get a lot of unhealthy recipes and it's kind of hard to, you know, stick to your diet when all this unhealthy stuff is thrown at your face. So I want to put out some more healthy ones for you guys. And those were from Whole Foods. So the next thing I got were these pumpkin spice coffee cups from Trader Joe's. I don't really like hot coffee, but I figured I could make these in the Keurig that's at the house and try to like put it in the fridge and see if I can make my own pumpkin spice coffee. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. And this was like under $6, I believe, super affordable. And there's little 12 K-cups in there, and I want to use it with this Nut Pods pumpkin spice limited edition almond and coconut creamer. So this is dairy free and it's unsweetened, and you can put it in like your baking or your coffee or your teas. Like you can put it in whatever. It's only 10 calories for a tablespoon, and there's no sugar in this. So I love Nut Pods for when I'm dieting. I know my sister loves them because she's paleo, and this is like paleo certified or whatever. So yeah, these were from Whole Foods, and they were on sale even. And if you're a Prime member and you go to Whole Foods, you can get even more money off the sale stuff. So we got even more money off these, which was awesome. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these. I'm pretty sure I had these a while ago, but I don't remember. So we'll try them again. So the next like drink thing I got were these pumpkin spice ribose herbal blend from Trader Joe's. It's just, you know, a tea, but sometimes I want like the pumpkin spice cozy flavors, but ooh, that smells good. But I can't have like all the calories, and like I put almond milk in my coffee, but sometimes, you know, you just need a 0-calorie treat. So I got these little teas, and I'm super excited. The little sachets are so cute. Smells so good. So this one says, Trader Joe's pumpkin beverage is warm and inviting, evoking nostalgic memories of autumn with every sip. A carefully selected blend of ribose is combined with natural pumpkin flavor, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves to create a naturally aromatic, wonderfully flavorful beverage, delicately packed in a pyramid-shaped sachet. That's so cute. I'm really excited to try that. Alright, so the next few things are like little snacks. So I wanted to try, okay, I love RX bars. They're so good. And they have like really limited ingredients. So when you're trying to lose weight, something like this is great as a snack because there's not a lot of ingredients as far as like chemicals, added, processed stuff, whatever. It's 210 calories. So that's like a good snack for me. And what is it? 12 grams of protein. Like that's really good for a 200-calorie snack. So this one is pumpkin spice. This is also limited edition, so if I like this, I'm gonna pick up another box. But sometimes like RX bars are hit and miss for me. I really like the chocolate sea salt ones. Those are great, but like some of the other flavors I think are just too much because these are like really chewy bars. So I'm gonna try this one out and then see how I like it and go from there. And then also I found Lara bars. These are so great. It's kind of the same concept, but there's limited ingredients. And this is 200 calories as well. And this has 4 grams of protein. So I think this is more of like a dessert snack bar, and that's more of like an actual snack. This one's also pumpkin spice. And let me see. This one's literally just dates, cashews, apples, almonds, pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and ginger. So they're basically kind of like the same thing, except this is a ton of dates, and that one has way less and more egg whites. Okay, so now for some of the last things. I found this paleo pumpkin spice birch benders waffle and pancake mix. Well, this one just says, yeah, waffle and pancake mix. So I use the regular pancake mix all the time. I just love the pancakes. It's pretty low calorie. For 2 pancakes, it's 140 calories, so you get a good amount for like the calories. And how much protein? 6 grams of protein. So I would just eat this with eggs and like turkey bacon, or just eggs and this on its own. I got I forgot, it's not in here. I'll just insert a picture. It's a maple syrup flavored syrup. So like it's super low calorie. I think it's like 40 calories for 2 tablespoons, whereas something like a maple syrup or a honey would be double that. So I'm gonna try that out. But what I got with it now that Trader Joe's has is organic maple butter. So the only ingredient in here is organic maple syrup, and it's kind of like whipped up, I'm assuming. I need to like see how they make this. We start with organic maple syrup and patiently churn it until it reaches the perfect spreadable consistency so that you can spread it on toast with some crumbled bacon, dip apples or pretzels in it, or eat it by the spoonful. So I thought this would be great to go on there because it's just pure maple syrup, super healthy, in moderation. And yeah, I thought that'd be super great for fall and to dip into apples and other stuff, make some like spreads with. So got that, and I think this is the last thing that I have for this little haul. So Whole Foods right now has pumpkin pie spice that's organic on sale. So I got that because I'm going to be doing some baking, like I said, and I'm going to use this, but I thought I would just mention this because it was a really good price and it's like a big amount and it was organic, all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I am so in love with fall. It is so cozy. I'm ready to be cozy and wrap up in a blanket and have my coffee and my tea and my little snacks. So I hope you enjoyed this video and get ready for a ton of fall videos with me. I already planned out a few that I need to do. I'm like so excited for the season. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.